Hi everybody. Today I want to talk about the Deminuage Anti-Aging Skincare Kit. The company sent me this kit to review and try out for you guys. The kit they sent me is called the Anti-Aging Prime Kit. It retails for $169.99. They also have an acne scar removal kit that retails for $179.99. It comes with the pen, the serums, and the tips that work with the pen. They also gave me a discount code that you can use that will save you 15% off. And they also offer the pen without the serum. It comes with 10 tips, and you have your choice of the regular pen, the one that I have, or the Luxe pen. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. This is the kit right there. This is the registration card. And everything ships for free and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, and I have... And here's the pamphlet that says Boost Your Inner Glow. It has all the directions in here from start to finish. Wash your face. I've already done that. This kit comes with the daily tips and the booster tips. And a supply of serum. The pen comes in this little, like a velvety type pouch. It takes one AAA battery, that's included. So let's put the battery in there. This is the slot, and you put, this end is for the positive, and this end is for the negative part of the battery. All right, there's the battery. Screw this back on. Okay, so the pen is ready to go. Let's see what else is in here. I have 10 of the daily tips and 5 of the booster chips that are designed to be used once a week. It comes with 5 brightening serums. You can use your own serum with the daily tips, but they suggest using the booster chips with their brightening serum. So you get 5 serums and 5 chips, because once you open this, you're supposed to use it right away. And the chips you only use once. So this is the weekly set, and then I have 10 daily sets. And then they also included a set of 6 soothing and repairing masks. That's fun. And they suggest you use this 3 to 4 times a week for 20 minutes at a time, like a regular face mask. You put it on, you wait 15 or 20 minutes, take the mask off, pat in the remaining serum, and you're done. Okay, so for today, I'll be trying this out with the nano chip and the brightening serum. Okay, so we're supposed to screw one of these into the tip here. Here's the booster chip. The booster chips are clear and the daily chips are green. All right, so the booster can be used once or twice a week. I thought it was only once a week, but you can use it twice a week if you like. So you just screw that on there like this. Okay, for the serum, it comes like this. And they also sell replacement kits for the serum and for the tips. All right, here is the serum. Now you're supposed to twist this off. Okay, finally, I snapped it off mostly. Oh, I'm glad I only use this once a week. Maybe eventually I'll get the hang of it, but I had a hard time getting that little cap off. So now I apply this little rubber tip, and we're supposed to use the entire vial. So I think I'll just work one section of my face at a time, because I don't want the serum to dry before I can get to it with the pen. Okay, so I have the little vial on there. I mean the applicator on the vial. All right, now to turn it on, you're supposed to press the button. It doesn't look like a button, but you press it. It goes in like that, and there it is. Okay, so before I get started, I'll do a close-up of my face before and then do one after. Okay, so here is the left side of my face. You see I have little spots and discolorations right there. Forehead, I have a line right there I'd like to get rid of. Here, I could use some toning and brightening. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start on this side first. Okay, there we go. It's coming out now. Put that on there. Start with this cheek, and when you use the pen, you're supposed to move it from inside out or from bottom up, and they say don't go over the same area more than 3 times. All right, here we go. There's a slight sensation, kind of like a vibration, more than anything else. Okay, so now I'm going to go upward. Okay, and for the third pass, I'll go from inside out once again. Okay. All right, that's one cheek done. It feels a little bit tingly now. Not a strong sensation, but I can tell that something has happened. I don't see any redness or anything yet. It's not making my face turn red or anything like that. But I do slightly feel something. Okay, let's do this side. I'm about halfway done with the vial. So there's a generous amount in here. Okay, let's do this side. The whole idea of this pen is that it will help your serums penetrate your skin better. Kind of similar to dermal rolling, but this is much gentler. You don't need to press hard, just lightly touch it, and I can sort of feel it. Okay, so now I'll remove this used tip and they're not meant to be reused, so I'll have to throw it away. And I'll put this back in the bag until tomorrow night when I use the daily chips along with my own serum. So there's still serum on my face. I'm gonna rub that in. It didn't dry as quickly as I expected, so I probably could have covered my entire face first, but just to be sure, I just work one section at a time. I do see a little bit of redness, but my face doesn't feel irritated at all. Just slightly tingly. That's after the first treatment with the booster tip and the serum that they provide. So let's do a close-up and see if I can possibly see anything different. Maybe a little bit of brightening. But I'm going to continue to use this until I've gone through all of the tips and the serum. These masks are soothing and rejuvenating. And I feel a little bit of a tingle on my face. I want to try this right now. I'm going to apply this mask and leave it on for 20 minutes and then take it off. Nothing has any smells, the mask or the serums. Oh, there's a lot of liquid still in the bottom here. I don't know. A lot of serum down in there. And this is dripping. So it's certainly wet enough. It has a plastic backing on it, so you know which side to put on your face. Oh, it's eye-opening though. I don't know. I don't know about that, or the mouth either, but let's see. Okay, let's take this plastic off. Okay. Oh, okay, it's really wet. All right, so I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, 20 minutes have passed, so we can take this off now. Throw that away. And you're supposed to just massage the rest of it in. So, let me do that. Okay, one more time. Let's take a quick look, close up, and see if I can notice anything. My face does feel smooth, more soothed, and kind of cold. But that's because it's still wet. I'm sure once it dries, that cold sensation will go away. Let's see. Okay. All right. So after I have used up all of my tips and serum and had a chance to really see what kind of improvement I might get from this, then I'll come back and do an update video with before and after pictures also to let you know if it actually worked for me and my experiences with it, what kind of result I received. So that's my review of the Deminuage NanoPen Anti-Aging Prime Kit. Thank you for watching. Bye.